Well, look at that beautiful 5455 carbide anvil. I wondered why my swage wasn't working. So, if anybody's ever done this, the culprit is typically, it's kind of hard to get in there and look, but the bushings that anvil or that die set in, if those bushings are slightly protruding, yeah, I can't really get in there. You can't see them very well. But what happens is, I tried to make an adjustment and push that down a little bit, and so it comes in contact with those round bushings that sit on either side of that die right there, and it splits it. Yeah, you can sort of see it right up in there. There's two of them, one inside another. So if you're trying to push down to make an adjustment and it's not going, don't force it, because right there is it's over $100 out the window right there. Perfectly good carbide anvil destroyed because I wasn't paying attention. Don't be making dumb adjustments to your swage and you won't have these problems.